Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome. I'm Matt Turck. So great to see you all. A big thank you to Bloomberg for continuing to host us. Obviously this time we have the smaller room, but I'm happy to announce that for at least the next 7 events, we're gonna be back in the large room downstairs, which basically accommodates twice the size, twice the number of people here. So that's great news, and again, thank you to Bloomberg for enabling this. Great. So before we start, a couple of quick announcements. So first of all, I changed the name because nobody could ever remember what the event was called before. So this is the new name, which means that there is a new check-in and there is a new hashtag on Twitter. Second announcement, as you guys may have seen, I'm also starting a new event that's called Hardwired NYC, which is going to be focusing on the intersection between the physical world and the digital world. So we're going to be talking about the Internet of Things, 3D printing, wearable computing, all sorts of things. So if you're interested in the topic, just check out on Meetup.com. It's called Hardwired NYC, and I should be able to announce the first event in the next few days. And third and last thing, was hoping to get a show of hands from you guys. So as an organizer of a meetup, I very frequently get all sorts of offers, from all sorts of people that want to tell you guys about a conference, about an event, and my policy so far has been to say no to most, except to Bloomberg. And maybe on one occasion when there was a free event. But the type of offers I get are typically, 50% off on conference X or 25% off conference Y. So quick show of hands, do you guys want me to pass those on to you, which means that you're going to get a bunch more emails? Who thinks yes? Okay. Is that the final count? So that's not even a third. Okay. Yeah, who's against it? Okay, all right, so that would be a no. You don't like to be spammed, really? I get 10% on the free ones. Okay, all right, let's just make sure. Free stuff that always works. Great, okay. Awesome, so we have a fantastic lineup tonight. As I mentioned in the write-up, some of the coolest kids in the data science world. Definitely in New York, but also beyond. So the format is the same as usual for people who come here regularly, which means that each one of the speakers is going to stand up, speak for about 10 minutes, 10, 11 minutes, back to back, and then we all going to sit down and go into panel format and have you guys ask a bunch of questions. One other thing I'm particularly excited about tonight is that we have great data scientists on stage, but we also have a bunch of great data scientists in the audience. So I look forward to the discussion, then. And for the data scientists in the audience, don't hesitate to, go as technical as you would like tonight. Great. So with further ado, so this is the order of presentation. Got the amazing math babe herself, then Chris from Columbia, Drew from IA Ventures, Max Tron, formerly from OkCupid, and now a independent consultant, and Claudia from Media 6 Degrees. So Kathy, you're up.